Today we are going to prepare KFC style chicken at home. The texture and looks wise it is absolutely brilliant and the taste was awesome. Let's take some chicken breast and we will cut into pieces. After washing we will put it in a bowl. Then we can add half cup of buttermilk into it. Then we are going to add some turmeric powder, some chili powder, salt as per taste, some chili flakes, some red paprika, ginger garlic powder. You can put ginger garlic paste also or powder, anything you like. Then you can add some onion powder to it. It will taste really amazing. If you have oregano, then you can add some oregano powder to it. Then after that mix it well, and then you can keep this marinated chicken in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours so that all the flavors, taste, everything will go inside the chicken. So 3 hours over, now we are going to prepare it. We will put some all-purpose flour, some corn flour to it. Then we will add some onion powder, ginger garlic powder, chili flakes, oregano. All these masalas will go into it and we will mix it well, so that when the chicken strips roll into this masala, the flavor will come brilliantly. I will surely tell you also try it in home, then you can write the comment in the comment box. I'm really happy to read it. Then we can put a bowl with cold water. Then we will put all the chicken strips into this. Then we will roll it out in this mixture. Then we are going to put it in the cold water. After that again we will remove it out and we will do another coat of this powder. Then we will fry it. You can remove the extra dust from it and then you can fry it. Now we are ready and we are going to fry it, and our KFC style chicken strips would be ready at home. In just 10 to 15 minutes it would be ready. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. You can see almost our chicken strips are ready. Just we will change the other side, then we will fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes so that all the chicken strips would boil it nicely. It's almost ready. You can see the texture. Now our chicken strips are ready. We will just take it out and we will serve it in a plate. You can also try these amazing chicken strips at home and you can comment in the comment box how it was for you. You can see this texture, it is absolutely amazing, and the taste wise also it is very good. I'll just break one and I'll show you how it's showing inside. You can feel the same taste. It's little bit hot and difficult to break, but still I'm showing you. Yes, you can see the inside. It's absolutely beautiful and taste wise is amazing. You also try and you can write in the comment box. Okay, friends, bye bye. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, be healthy.